When a low-profile LED light is broken and you can no longer purchase the same model, how do you repair instead of replace all your other lights in order to match the trim? First, let's remove the broken LED board. Then we need to purchase another LED board with matching voltage, watts, and color temperature. The next step is to mark the mounting location on the light base. Then we drill the mounting holes. Then we create threads using a tapping tool. The last step is mounting the LED board. It is this simple. Only costs you a few bucks to repair. Here is the final result. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.